Bo, get over here.
What is it? What's wrong?
Look, his breathing is slowing down. I can't even pick it up on the mic.
Well, he's okay, isn't he?
Look, the sooner we get down there, the better.
Well, Connor said there was a little bit more digging to do.
Look, we can't wait for that, all right? I've got to go down now.
Go down there yet. We're not finished digging.
Look, we can't wait any longer, Boo, okay? When the breathing slows down like this, we have to act fast.
Well, how much longer will the digging take? Hard to say. Half hour at least. Maybe an hour.
Look, we may lose him by then.
Is there any way Carly could fit through the tunnel as it is?
Maybe. It'd be a tight fit.
That's good enough for me. Let's go.
All right, look. Put his headset on here so we can keep in touch in the tunnel.
Here, I'll take this other one.
Listen, I think maybe an emergency member will be
that is my son down there.
All right.
Let's check this out, okay? Make sure it works.
Well, let's get that mic up so it won't cause any interference. Come on. All right.
Charlie, harness for Shawn Douglas. Simple plan. Put it around him. We're going to pull him out.
Okay, I got it.
I got it.
Listen, I want to tell you what you're getting yourself into here. You get yourself stuck in there, it's going to be just hard to pull you out as it is the boy. Now, you don't want to go in there? Say so right now. We're not going to hold it against you.
I know all the risks, Commander. I don't care, okay? The only thing I care about is saving that boy's life right now. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm all set. Bo, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, I can hear you, too. Looks like we're in business, fellas. Let's get the show on the road, okay?
All right, here we go.
Carly, listen. Thanks for what you're doing for my kid.
Okay. It's not going to be much longer, all right?
All right.
Here we go. Come on, let's go. There you go. Were you able to break through to the other shaft?
As best I could.
All right, listen. Give them a flag
down there. I couldn't.
All right, let's lower down.
No way, come on.
We got you.
All right.
Easy does it. You're gonna be okay.
Okay, she's clear.
How's it going?
So far, so good. I'm going to unleash myself.
She's unhooking herself.
All right.
Shawn Douglas? Sweetheart, can you hear me? It's Dr. Manny. I'm coming to get you. Shawn Douglas?
Why isn't he answering?
He may have just fallen asleep, though, okay? Try not to worry.
Okay, how's it look down there?
Well, I guess I know how a mole feels.
Can you see where Shawn Douglas is?
No, but I can see something.
Do you think you'll be able to get through?
Yeah, I think so. Huh. I guess it's a good thing I didn't eat those donuts Mrs. Wharton offered me the other day, huh? Okay, here we go.
How's it going?
It's fine. It's okay.
Okay, good. Just take it slow. I mean, if you think you're going to get stuck or anything, you just stop. We'll think of some other way to get him out.
No, I'm fine. Well, I'm fine, okay?
Okay. You take it easy.
Look, I'm almost halfway there.
That's good.
Almost there.
All right. Keep it up.
Look, if I can get past this point to the dirt, then I can...
Carly? Carly, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear ya.
Is something wrong?
No, it's okay. I'm okay.
Carly, what is happening? Come on, talk to me.
It looks like I can't go any further here.
What? Okay. All right, that's cool. Just back up.
I can't, Bo. I'm stuck, and I can't back up.
What's happening, Bo?
She's stuck. Don't worry, Carly. We'll get somebody down there and get you out.
Yeah. We'll get a rescue unit together. Come on.
I shouldn't have given up jogging, you know. Those extra inches around my hips are really giving me a lot of grief right now.
Is there anything she could do?
Tell her to relax. Exhale. Twist and pull. Your hip and body weight could make a difference.
Carly, can you move at all?
Not much.
Okay, try to exhale and twist your body a little bit. That may work.
Okay.
How's it going?
Okay. I think it's working here. Yes. Come on. Yes. Come on. I'm through.
Yeah, she's through.
I just have to get this one through. Douglas? Hey, little guy.
Do you see him?
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah, she's there. Tell me, how is he?
Well, his waist in here a little tight, so I'm gonna try and ease him around to face me. Okay. Come on, sweetie. Come on. There you go. It's gonna move you real easy, okay? Come on. There you go. Okay. Hey, Shawn Douglas. Huh? Dr. Manning, it's the bird lady. You remember me? Yeah. I got him, Bo. He's awake. Barely, but he is.
Let me talk to him.
Wait a minute, all right? I just want to take a look at him first. Let me sit right here, okay? Okay, his breathing's a little slow. His pulse is a little weak. He's probably in shock, but I think he's going to be okay. Doesn't look like he was too badly injured. Okay. Hang in there with me, buddy. Hang in. Here we go. I'm going to give you a little shot, okay, bud? Okay, Shawn-D? That's what your daddy calls you, doesn't he? You know, he's really been worried about you. He loves you very much. Okay. I'm going to take your arm. Okay? This isn't going to hurt you. Okay, this isn't going to hurt you. Let me have your arm. There you go. There, sweetie. This didn't hurt you, did it? Huh? That didn't hurt you. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put this right right over your head, okay, sweetheart? So you can breathe a little easier. Hang in there with me. It's okay. It's okay. Hang in there. Let me see your face. There you go. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Okay. John Douglas?
Hey. Well, Carly, why isn't he answering you? Carly, what's going on down there? Carly! What is it? What is happening? What's wrong with my son? Carly! Carly, will you tell me what's happening? What is wrong with my son?